Hello everyone, Lucky Kasunga, passionate environmentalist, and during my daily nature walk, is one of my daily routines, and I'm at Kilifi Bridge. This is how beautiful, spectacular the east side of Kilifi Bridge looks like, and as you can see, it's just beautiful. The road is very busy. That is how the west side looks like. The sun has already set, so yes, very little things to see. That's how it is, and it's amazing, it's beautiful, and it's wonderful. For those who like to tour, just come to Kilifi and enjoy this beautiful view, this beautiful scenery, and other things that are available for you just to enjoy. You can come and swim. Those are the waters. See you next time. Have a good day.